Good morning, Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So, without anybody informing me or updating me, I'm quite aware that I have been MIA for about a month now, and it's for different slash specific reasons, which I am unable to disclose right now, but eventually you guys would see what I've been up to little. Now me officially feel like me there back again. Me back on the grind, the uploads, the regular uploads, and I don't know how long again before a break like this reoccurs, but me hope say me can continue do it without do YouTube without taking a break. Basically moving forward, it will be a whole different scene where in which I go try post a whole different type of construction, like besides from the one I used to from the channel, mainly because that one you're done for now. Basically we just remap and revamp, and we will and come again, and we'll come again better than before, and I'm grateful and thankful for the support I already receive. I receive my cup runneth over, if I could describe how I feel in regards to the support that you guys have given me. So yeah, first and foremost, before I dive deeper into the video, I'd like to say welcome to the new subscribers to the channel. I truly appreciate you guys for stopping by, showing your guys' love and support. You guys leave comments on a daily basis. That is very motivating for a YouTuber, and we see that the interaction is increasing, a steady increase, which encourages the YouTuber to continue to do what they are doing, and I'm grateful for that once more. We're gonna talk about some fundamental things that you guys might want to know about, and you guys ask mostly these questions. So in regards to how you guys are going about your building construction, I'm in no position to tell you what to do or what you should not do. I am just a little birdie that whispers in the ear from time to time, so you guys can choose whether or not to listen to me. But I've been in this for a while now. I've been watching some videos that I've been directing people on where to find reputable contractors in Jamaica, and I've been following up on these stuff, and yeah, it's good when you can use the internet and browse and cross a finger upon a particular contractor and be like, alright, this guy knows his stuff, he has been around for a while, and these are some of the work that this guy has done. However, it is not that glistening, not that beautiful as you guys may see it. It is more of a, some of them is more of a superficial look. It has like a superficial image to it. So yeah, you hear these good things about the contractor online and on the site, on the review, on certain site, we call master builders, rare. Brother, I've worked with some of these contractors for quite some years now, and I've seen some of the names on the site that people consider as reputable contractors, and my advice to you guys is never you build with somebody that you don't know anything about. It is always a gamble. The best way to go about finding a reputable contractor, I believe, is to word of mouth, hearing it from a friend, hearing it from somebody who has used this contractor before, hearing it from who knows, basically those somebody who has used the contractor before. Otherwise than that, everybody else is a top based on where they hear, based on what they see, but they're not true, they don't know the true story. As I say, it's a superficial thing. Them just see something from afar and be like, wow. But you go close to it. For example, this unit here. This is a unit, you see those markings? This is intended to be the floor level all the way up there, so and you guys see where it is. See all of that? No coverage, no nothing. A contractor will promise you a lot of things. He will tell us, say, yo, I will do this, I will do that, I will do this, and I can give you a house like this, I will do that house here before, I will do this before, I do everything already. And at the end of the day, you get something like this, you wonder how you do that man the house good, and yours a turn out like this, a fall apart. Let me tell you, you have some contractors that get contract and they never even visit the site. They only visit the site when something gone wrong, bad, so the worst way you can describe it, it have to go like that before some man visits the site. You don't want them man there a watch over your project. He is a liability. This is one prime example. Money come to you, brother, and tell you things, you know, your house look like this. I can further carry on around the back and show you how one window down here, so the other window up here, so the lintels this and that's a mess, brother. Prime example. You want a friend to go and tell us, say, or the person who owns this house to go and tell us, say, yo, Mr. and Mrs. Construction built my house and these are the end results. Don't use them. Then they on the master builder side, then they on every other side they can think of as reputable place contractors who work with the government or it ain't impossible to get any result here, brother. Then a dip on the inside, then no, brother. You see, if me continue to talk, this video will get some contractors very angry. So you guys just decode whatever I can code for you and take it how you want to take it. I'm doing all of this and saying all of this to say, you guys be careful out there. May I witness it day in, day out, and when you guys get advice and the advice costs the money on a ball, when somebody tell us, say, don't, do not want no. Somebody say I do a basement and they say tank it and you wood float it or something like that, and we say tank it and still float it, and you go ahead and do it, okay, so this and that and that and that and that. I will tell if you put shingles around here and well channel off it, drain out, cause less water to build up at the side of your house. And you know what, so for instance, forget that consultant is $100,000. I say, what, $100,000? Where? You don't want to pay it. Boop, you're gonna do what you do. Boop, water start come up in your basement. You know how much money to fix that? Do you know how much money to fix that? I witnessed that recently. You guys, building is not the cheapest investment of your life. Building a house, building construction will not be the cheapest investment of your life. Spend your money well and wisely and do it good and done. My mother always tell me that. Dash on, do it good and done. Do it good and done. You guys, take my foolish advice. No, go on the internet and search and nothing and make things pop up. People pay for ads, brother. People pay for ads. Go to your brethren, go to your friends, go to your family. And then the friend and family must use the contractor before and make them show you the work. And make the contractor then show you more work. And then you snoop around a little bit more and then you take the risk. It's a gamble. You're getting a money problem, you're getting a this. And people, another thing I'm say, on make a bad decision. This decision in doing is building. So for instance, you build this house in particular, you're seeking contractors. You go ahead and just call out some contractors, says swing me a quote. swing me a quote and you're just getting quote left, right and center. You decide to say, alright, that one there, the most reasonable one, you run with it. People, do your research, get a consultant, get a quantity surveyor, brother. Do a BQ. Do a BQ. It is very, brother. You see them advice on my go now. $1 million advice to me, brother. $1 million and headache advice. Get a BQ. It is very important. A quotation, a regular quotation, is not a BQ. Don't mix them up, brother. You will lose. You will lose. You will lose. It will not be at your advantage. You're getting a problem, constant problem, and there's nobody but to blame but yourself. Get a BQ done. What I want to call engineers. I don't forget that one there, but get a BQ done and just issue out to the potential contractors that you are interested in. Issue out blank BQs to them. Blank, make them fill it out. The BQ show everything, brother. Whether or not for paying the manholes, can't take no card, or not, the BQ will show. I don't want the contractor come back to me and tell me no problem, no story or nothing like that. You don't tell me say $50 for do this, $50 I have in my pocket, brother. Don't come tell me say $60 you know. Boom. That the BQ, you can't carry a quote. So yeah, now that I make your life a little bit brighter, Team Ismash my back, and we're gonna get some building done. I'm just gonna recap in 5, 4, 3, 2 of the things that some of the things that I've been up to since the break has begun, or since the last time you see me on YouTube. It's not a lot, and I just probably a couple seconds worth of footage, but one. So yeah, Team Ismash. I'm gonna wrap up the video now. I just really had this on my chest and on my heart. I wanted to speak to you guys about it. Whenever things come on my chest and my heart again, I'm gonna save my team, my family. Cause I only put this on YouTube, and so only people that were subscribed to my channel are on YouTube able to see this, which this is exclusive. So it was on my heart, and you know, weight on my heart and weight not good for the heart. So made it off and get it off, and now may I tell you now, be careful out there, Team Ismash. Be careful all over build. It's not an easy road when you build your house. If you don't want the headache, if you are not the contractor, get a contractor. Either you can't go both ways. If you guys are interested in consultant with anything to do with your building, if you have any problem with your building, anything to do with your building, you guys can shoot me an email. Shoot me an email and we'll go on from there. So if you guys want a site visit, for just get an update with a report and what else, pictures, etc., shoot me an email. We can provide that service for you guys. If you guys have any building that you guys are interested in from the ground up, you guys can shoot me an email. I'm here for you guys. I'm here for my team. I'm here for Team Ismash. Team Ismash is my family, and what I'm saying, only kin is kin. Anyways, me there upon the work, and for all those who think that this is my development, again I will say this is not my development. We watch over the site, hover over it, and look and say, do that, hey boy. Anyways, Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. Truly appreciate it. Guys, I'm back in it. I'm here to stay. I'm not going nowhere. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. You know, leave your questions down in the comment section. Shoot me an email whenever. My email is ismashconstruction@gmail.com. You guys just shoot me an email. We'll talk from there. So some of you guys have my number. When you call me and with reason, yeah, we can even chit chat, just with chit chat sick. So yeah, team Ismash, enjoy the rest of you guys' day, night, evening, afternoon, whatever it may be in your neck of the woods, two parts. I'm out. Catch you guys in the next video.